In this video, I'm going to take the cat from the walking tutorial and show you how to make it shoot a fireball. The first thing I added was some if statements starting on line 22, saying if the Y button is pressed and the old variable is 336, which is the cat facing up, then go sub to @upFire label. You see how I use the old variable not just to change my sprite when it isn't walking, but also to indicate what direction my sprite is facing so that I can send the fireball in the right direction. I did the same for each direction and included my LFT, the left variable, to differentiate between the two directions that share the old value 256, left and right. Skip to line 75 where the @upFire label is at. I start off by setting up my sprite for the charge before the fireball. I use SPOFS to place the sprite in front of my cat using its XY position variables as reference points, just adding and subtracting to the X and Y. Then I use SPROT to rotate the sprite so it's facing the correct direction. On line 80, instead of using the anim variable like I did for the walking, I just keep it simple and use the spanum, the SPANIM, and set it to play 3 sprites, only one time per fireball. I then wait a little while before clearing the sprite off the screen with the SPCLR, SP clear, followed by the sprite ID number for the charge. Now for the fireball itself, I set it rotated, and then animated. Set a variable called FY for the fireball's Y position, and use the cat's Y position as a reference point. On others like left and right, I'm just going to use FX as the fireball's X position. In order to make my fireball move, I use a 4-2 step next to change the FY variable by counting by 5s all the way to 150. Now, why did I want it to count by 5s? I wanted the fireball to move fast. When it's all said and done, I clear the fireball off the screen and return to my main program. I'm just going to slideshow the rest of the code so that you can copy it down, but that pretty much explains it.